Hello everyone, how is it going? Scrembo here from Emotionless Crypto Trading. Welcome to my new video presentation related to BTC price analysis. On 22nd of April, we're going to take a look at the market from the short-term standpoint, and we're trying to construct a daily video series of price analysis for Bitcoin. Looking at the market cap, it is $2 trillion at the moment with a 24 hours volume which is sitting under 200 billion, a BTC dominant that has been decreasing, reaching a 50% level. It's going to go even lower considering the alt season, and we're looking at the charts where BTC is having minus 14% for the last 7 days. Going into the price analysis and technical details and visualizing the 15-minute candlesticks, this is where we are. A very interesting sideways moving movement, which is having its tops and bottoms contracting. That is a clear representation of a breakout. We do have the signs of contractions, and we're gonna share with you very soon, but at the same time, the median line of the sideways movement is perfectly handling the support and resistance at the right times. So being a little more less abstract, we're gonna take a look at the numbers. There is the downtrending resistance line, which is starting from a decent top and continuing by connecting it with the next lower high, which is also major and has been successfully punishing us from there, from $57,000 down to 52,800s. So it has been a decent top. The only thing is, it just makes it at a lower level than the previous one. That is clearly categorizing it into a lower high, making our structure visible for a downtrending resistance line. Under that green line, we have the $56,400 major resistance of the range. We do have multiple tops reacting from both sides and showcasing a very clear representation of the market reaction at $56,000 and $400, $500, around that range. We do have tops and bottoms. Most of the time we've been acting in a top side, just like you can see. It has been just a couple of times supporting us, but in all the other cases, it has been going on as a resistance. The next line is the $54,000 and $600 median resistance, which is acting now as a median resistance, but it has been going through a very strong support, which is our first task to transform this place into our support. Once we successfully do that, it's pretty much over for the bears, because we're going to push. And as the altcoins are looking, that are much better in terms of pumping during this times, they're ready of a very decent breakout of certain resistances. And I'm talking about the alts right now. A lot of the alts are ready for that. Well, BTC is going to go as well. Now, 54,600 needs to be transformed into our support. And from there, we got to push. That's the first thing that we got to do. It has acted right now just like it has been doing in the past. And this is the median line of the range. Under this, there is the blue line, which is 53,300 major support, which has been holding us very nicely during the entire moves. We did have a little fake out here that has been a pretty dramatic, and that fake out is great to be grabbing all the liquidity from the previous two bottoms. Now, this might be terms which you might not be familiar with, which is not a problem, because for those of you looking to be learning how to trade cryptocurrency and become professional traders, we can talk about it in my private one-on-one coaching at scrembocoaching.com. You can find out more information about it. You can register now, complete the form, and I'm going to get back to you on your email with an update. This is a very serious program for the ones looking to do it professionally in the right way, making money. So 53,300 is still right there intact, and it has acted very nicely. Just like you can see, there is a relation of this ranging market, which I'm showing it you right now. This is how you need to see the entire movement that we have right now. A ranging market which is having the tendency of squeezing and forming tops and bottoms in a triangle structure. However, what is important is from the horizontal blue lines, we have the top side, we have the median side, which is a line that I should be putting in like this, and then we have the lower side of the range. This is how our three lines are standing for in our structure. Now, we do have the uptrending support line, which is going quite decently by connecting the movement from the fake out we had on the bottom side, which was great to be grabbing liquidity. This one, that was clearly a liquidity grabbing movement, and we'll have to see how that plays out, but so far so good. And the movement that has been established right next to it was strongly bullish. So right now we can form a higher low compared to the previous one, which is much stronger, and we can construct on that back towards the median resistance line and eventually break out of it. When we break out of that, altcoins will break out as well. Now the thing is, altcoins will break out of a strong resistance line, which will enforce them to be gaining much more volume and power compared to the BTC's movement. So we're looking forward here at the first objective to get out of the blue line, 54,600s, push towards 56,400s, which is the upper side of the blue line structures. And then out of that, we got to gain momentum and volume by breaking out of the downtrending resistance line, that is the green line, and pushing towards other limits that we're going to discuss and talk about within the next days. So that's the current situation for the BTC price analysis on April 22nd. We will take care about the entire procedure every single time. Make sure that for those of you looking to find out more about my channel and my job online, please consider checking my main YouTube channel about cryptocurrency, due to the fact that the one I'm posting right now is the secondary, but you can check out the main one. It's right here. The link will be in the description area. There's a lot of the videos talking about the way I trade, the way I'm pretty much executing a lot of the things on my dashboard and so on. You can see what I'm capable of doing. At the same time, you can join a coaching program, and there is also a trading service where I am doing the trading through API, full trading done for you. Well, you can find out more basically in my videos here where I'm talking about my trades. We've got $440,000 profit in a day. We've got, a lot of the things going on. We have $5.9 million profit in a day. So we have all the things happening and going through the entire process, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, put your thoughts in the comments area, and we'll talk to you soon.